back here through Carpenter, and Umberger going to make contact. Caution flag going to come out.
Lights are out. Race director telling them that they will not fire until they get to the cone there. Coming out of turn number 4. 15 laps the distance. The 222, the 3-9. That's your front row. That's who's going to bring us around to the green flag. Side by side, nose to tail. Here we go. First feature of the night is green. We're racing. Good side-by-side battle off into turn number 1. Looks like the 222's got that drive on the inside, but look at the outside. Here comes the 39 of Pritchard. Pritchard's going to take the lead. Coming around off of turn 4, side-by-side, almost a 3-wide battle for the lead. Momentarily give it to the 39 car. Rick Williams, as we got some good racing up front here. Side-by-side battle for the second spot. That's the 30 car. Oh, trouble, they make a little contact. Trouble between the 30 car and the 222. Two brothers, identical looking cars right there. Chris Mills, Travis Mills. Pritchard's still going to lead it. Rick Williams there in the 94. He's up into the 3rd spot. Brandon Haga 5th. Top 4 cars are all Mills Mafia cars. They leading the train around here at the Beckley Motor Speedway. Battle for the lead as the 222 Mills looks to the inside. He drops. We're 9 laps into this one. Here we go. Green flag is back in the air because we're at that cone and we're racing. Does the 222 have anything for the 39 car? Look at the 94, Rick Williams. He's way down on the inside. The 222 went way high in turn 2. Coming around, and look at the 94, Rick Williams. He's got that drive on the bottom side of the track. They are triumphing your leader right now. The 94 car still side by side with the 222. Mills Mafia putting on a show here tonight at Beckley Motor Speedway. Still Pritchard, Williams, Mills and Mills. Put the top 4 cars under the blanket right there. That's the show. 3 wide for the lead of the 94 of Williams. Kind of gets a little sideways, loses some momentum right there. Got a little tap from the. Them boys are putting on a show up front right here. Bill Pritchard Jr. is going to bring us back around to the green flag. Rick Williams, Chris Mills. Travis Mills with trouble bringing out that caution. 12 laps in. Coming around to 6 to go. Green flag back in the air. That 39 with a great restart right there. I mean, when he got on the gas, that thing hooked up and he went. Battle back on, put the top 3 cars under a blanket. Pritchard Jr. still has control of this one, but the 222 of Mills is right there. He's trying to get to the outside, trying to get the momentum rolling. What a battle up front. Top 3 cars, put them under a blanket. Mills will look to the bottom. Look at Rick Williams on the bottom side of the racetrack. He's able to get that drive in, but not really, he doesn't really have the drive off. Just a few laps to go. 3 laps to go that time by. We're coming to 2 to go this time. Oh, they make a little contact there. Got a car. 3 laps to go right here. It could be any one of these guys in the top 3. Can they wrestle that lead away from Bill Pritchard Jr.? Here we go. We're waiting till we get to the cone. Green flag in the air. Good, another good start for the 39er. Pritchard will drive off in turn 1 to 222. Goes to the bottom side. He'll have the lead momentarily, but the 39 will take the momentum down the back straightaway. Coming around to 2 to go this time by for the 39. As you look at Williams on the inside of Mills for the second spot. 2 laps to go. We're coming around to the white flag next time by. Bill Pritchard Jr. is going to extend his lead off into turn number 3. These guys drive it hard in a 3 and off a 4. White flagging out for Bill Pritchard Jr. The race might be for second because Bill Pritchard Jr. has this one in control. Rick Williams, Chris Mills battling there for the second spot. They don't have anything for the 39 car, Bill Pritchard Jr. He's going to win it. Photo finish for the second spot. Give it to Rick Williams. Chris Mills third. Wayne Hughes fourth. Chris Warden fifth. Chad Lilly sixth. Chris Parker seventh. Corey Willard eighth. Dirk Snuffer ninth. Calvin Willard 10th. Brandon Haga 11th. And John Rogers will round out the field right there in the 12th spot. Give it up for the 30. Give it up for all of these guys. That was a heck of a show right there. All righty. Getting ready to climb out of the car. Getting the victory lane board up there. The trophy. The CDRA heat number 1. You need to be in staging. Comes coming out of the car, your feature event winner here in the INX Legends, the 39 car of Bill Pritchard Jr. Y'all give him a big round of applause. That was a heck of a race right there.